everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use the Bolt New to create an app using AI. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to bolt.new. Log in or create a free account. And once you're inside, you'll land on the main dashboard. On the home page, you'll see a prompt box. This is where you can describe the app that you want to build, like this example prompt here. The more details you give, the better your app will be. And after done typing your prompt, press enter, and the Bolt New will now automatically generate the app design, the interface, the code, and the structure. You'll see everything being built in real time. Once generation is complete, you can test the app directly on the screen. Click the buttons, try features, and make sure everything works the way you want. If you want to change something, you can edit the text, change the colors, add new pages, add features, or modify layout. You can also just type your prompt. And once you're happy with your app, you can now publish. Just click the publish button in the top right corner, and your app will be hosted online and ready to share. Keep improving and improve the features, fix design, and new tools. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.